Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching the channel for the first time, I welcome you all. I appreciate you. Please subscribe, share. First of all, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to make a lovely drink. It's going to be cucumber, fresh lime, ginger. Help to boost your immune system and also hydrate you. This is also good for diabetes, arthritis, because this powerful ingredients full of antioxidant, vitamin C, and your vitamin K, which is good for your skin. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you through the process. Okay. First, I'm going to take the skin off the ginger. You can use a knife. I choose to use a peeler, or you can use a spoon. You need to get as much skin off. You don't have to. You can leave it on. Take off as much of the skin. The skin, you don't have to throw it away. You can just wash them off, dry them, use them for tea or to make ginger cake. So I'm just going to use this because this is very strong, very harsh. So with the cucumber, just get a cucumber. This one, you give it a wash first. Then you can chop it, or you want to chop it. Then I'm going to add it to the blender. Ginger. Fresh lemon. So the lemon, I'm going to squeeze it in. Drop that in. You don't need to throw away that. Squeeze the next one in. All the juice in that. Then I'm gonna add a bit of honey. Nice, rich. This is proper honey. Make sure when you get in the honey, you get proper honey. Don't get the crazy honey which they put a lot of sugar in it. This is natural sugar, and honey is good for you anyway. One of the best natural antibiotic on the earth. I'm going to add some water in. I'm trying to get about 2 cups out of this. Probably even get more. Put the lid on. So the juice is ready. So I'm going to strain it off because I don't like bits. I don't like bits in mine. I love this blender. Try to get as much as possible out. So now everything is strained off. So let's pour it out. Look at the color. Fresh and healthy. Ladies and gentlemen, what you have to realize, your body needs alkaline. And cucumber is part of an alkaline diet. I'm gonna put a piece of either lemon or cucumber on the side just to garnish it. Bit of presentation like so. Like so. There you go, guys. Cheers to you all. And thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, this one is nice and delicious. Guys, I urge you, make this juice, try it, it's delicious. And you already know, summer is coming up. Peace be unto you all. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.